There probably was like at least 5 front ends put on this truck in its lifetime so far. I went my 400 to go pull those body bushings out. I went over with no tools, knowing I was gonna go take the body mounts out. Luckily I had my pocket pliers on me though. The amount that since that guy gave me shit at O'Reilly's about having a pair of pliers in my pocket, these are insane. I use them more now just because the guy gave me Oh, I said there's a corner bracket with those in here. I forgot. What do I do with those? I guess it's one of our other extra fenders. Like I said, there's one more extra fender over here. Passenger, and here we go. There's the original, dude. That's the original. I don't even have the original covers or the other fender. Which almost just slapped that one on there for old time's sake. Sweet. This is one of the 5 front clips that that Bronco's seen. Oh yeah, that's a bit more solid there. This used to go together without making it go together. A little bit of persuasion. Oh, dude. That's a factory door gap right there. They sure don't make them like that anymore. I'd like to see your Toyota go through 5 sets of doors and 5 front clips and be wheeled from 12 years old to 16 years old. Another set of doors and another front clip goes on perfect. These inner fenders are a pain in the ass, but I want to like actually get them mounted as nice as I can. And I didn't realize how many bolts I took off that front clip. Took off 2 doors and 2 fenders and a hood. I guess I took the grill and all that kind of stuff too. And yes, I definitely remember what you told me. I promise all of them will end up back in there. I'm gonna guess that was the bolt that went in the bottom of the fender and made the cap. They say 4 doors for more horrors, but my top comes off.
Now we're ready to install our fender, attached to the front clip.
I happen to have 2 fender bolts, that's all I had. I had 2 fender bolts. And luckily I had my head bolts in well those were in the engine, that's why. Those were the only ones that I saved really. So like those ones, my exhaust intake bolts, and then pretty much everything else, including that bolt, still not in there. I really hope we don't forget before we put the radiator in.
Yeah, right.
Windshield, I've got that really so clean that it can't even tell it's there. gave that thing some use, guys, but. Now we start going at it with the Phillips screwdriver.
Now we're ready for all them pretty parts.
Make it look like a truck again. I'm gonna do my inner fenders, hook everything up to the motor, throw my alternator in there, hook up my belts, throw my radiator in there, windshield and seats, find some tires, go grab the coil springs out of the truck in the pasture. It's like this is what I learned everything I know off of this truck right here. That's why it deserves to have another life.
Hell yeah.
I forget everything else, but I'll never forget the front clip of a freaking bullnose Ford.